A very happy morning, children. Welcome back to the physical science session. This is unit 9. We are going to see about universe. Do you have any idea about universe? What is universe? What does universe consist of? Okay. So universe is nothing but it contains all luminous matters. Okay, that is light emitting matters. That is galaxies, and which are really the collection of billions of stars. So universe is nothing but collection of billions of stars. Those are called as luminous matter, light emitting particles. Okay, so the universe contains everything that exists, including the earth, planets, stars, space and galaxies, and this includes all matter, energy and even time. So no one knows how big the universe is, isn't it? Can we guess how big the universe is? Can you give any measurement for that? No. So it could be infinitely large, and hence scientists however measure the size of the universe by what they can see, and this is called the observable universe. So whatever we are seeing, whichever planet is visible to us, by that only the scientists are giving the measurements. Okay, and otherwise it is an infinitely large size of universe what we have, and the observable universe is around 93 billion light years. That is, 1 light year is equal to, yes, the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is 9.4607 into 10 power 12 kilometer across. And one of the interesting thing about the universe is that it is currently expanding, and it is growing larger and larger all the time. And not only it is growing larger, but the edge of the universe is expanding at a faster and faster rate. However, most of the universe what we think of is empty space. All the atoms together only make up around 4% of the universe, and the majority of the universe consists of something scientists call dark matter and dark energy. So before we go deep into the lesson, let me check the objectives what we are going to see from this lesson. That is, after completing this lesson you will be able to know the evolution of the universe, understand the building blocks of the universe, and know what more about solar system, and you will know about the Kepler's law of motion. You can able to calculate the orbital velocity, the time period of satellites, and you will know about International Space Station. So now we saw about the building block of the universe, isn't it? So what does the universe consist of? So that is the building block of the universe. Okay, what is this picture? This is the picture of universe. Okay, so scientists think that the universe began, that is, it start of a massive explosion called the Big Bang. Okay, it is formed, the universe is formed because of the Big Bang massive explosion. And according to the Big Bang theory, all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a single point of hot dense matter, and about 13.7 million years ago an explosion occurred, and all the matter were ejected in all directions in the form of galaxies. And nearly all the matter in the universe that we understand is made of hydrogen and helium. This we know, isn't it? So all the matter in the universe is made up of hydrogen and helium, and the simplest elements created in the Big Bang. The rest, including the oxygen, the carbon, calcium and iron, silicon, are formed in the cores of stars, and the gravity that holds these stars together generally keeps these elements deep inside their interiors. So when these stars explode, these fundamental building blocks of planetary systems are liberated throughout the universe. Okay, so these are called as galaxies. So immediately after the Big Bang, clouds of gases began to compress under gravity to form the building blocks of galaxies. Okay, so what is galaxy? It is nothing but a massive collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar system. So what is galaxy? Define galaxy. A galaxy is a massive collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar systems. So scientists believed that there are 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. And the galaxies are also different shapes. So depending on their appearance, galaxies are classified as how it is classified, like no how we classify bacteria and virus. So like that, these galaxies are also classified as spiral, elliptical, or irregular. And galaxies occur alone or in pairs sometimes, but they are more often parts of groups, and then you can see that in clusters and superclusters also. And galaxies in such groups often interact and even merge together. Okay. So our sun and all the planets in the solar system are in the Milky Way galaxy. So which galaxy we belong to? We belong to Milky Way galaxy, and all these notes are given in page number 102 and 103. You can refer the book, children, and formation of the universe picture is also given in the book. Okay, so this is the picture of Milky Way galaxy, and there are many galaxies besides our Milky Way. Andromeda galaxy is our closest neighboring galaxy. So which galaxy is the closest neighboring galaxy? Andromeda galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is spiral in shape. You can see the shape of the galaxy here. It is spiral in shape, and it is called Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. Okay, so how does it appear like? It appears as a milky band of light in the sky, and it is made up of approximately 100 billion stars, and its diameter is like 1 lakh light years, and our solar system is 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. And just as the earth goes around the sun goes around the center of the galaxy, and it takes 250 million years to do that. Okay, is that clear? So this is the picture of the formation of the galaxy, which is given in the textbook in page number 103. Okay, so you can see the gist that is given here. How does it formed and how many years it took to form. You can see the picture of the solar system, galaxy, as well as the clusters of galaxies. Okay, so this is a formation of the universe, which is in page number 103. You can verify the picture from the book. And hence this is the picture of the Milky Way galaxy, which is given in page number 104 in the textbook. You can verify this picture. This is what in the animation type I have shown the picture of the Milky Way galaxy. So now we pass on to the topic stars, that is given in page number 104. Okay, so what are stars? What do you know about stars? The stars are the fundamental building blocks. So what are stars? Stars are the fundamental building blocks of galaxies. And stars were formed when the galaxies were formed during the Big Bang. Okay, so when does the stars start? The stars were formed when there was a Big Bang emission. Okay, so stars produce heat, light, and ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and other formation of radiations, and they are largely composed of gas and plasma, that is a superheat state of matter. Stars are built by hydrogen gas. How does the stars are built by? Stars are built by hydrogen gases. Hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium atoms, and in the process they produce large amount of heat. Okay, so this is about stars. And stars also appear it is in the last line. You can see stars also appear to be in different colors depending on their temperature. The hot stars are white or blue, whereas cooler stars are orange or red in color, and they also occur in many sizes. A group of stars forms an imaginary outline of meaningful pattern on the space. Okay, and they represent an animal, a mythological person or creature, a god or an object. And this group of stars is called, as, you all know very well, group of stars are called as, yes, constellations. Group of stars are called as constellations, and this group of stars is called constellations. People in different cultures and countries adopted their own sets of constellation outlines, and there are 88 formally accepted constellations, and you can see the names and the pictures that is given in page number 104. You can see Aries, Gemini, Leo, Orion, Scorpius and Cassiopeia are some of the constellations. So this is figure 9.3, picture of the constellations given in page number 104. Okay, Aries, you can see the picture of Aries, then Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpius, Sagittarius, Capricornus, Aquarius and Pisces. Okay. Okay, now you have a new picture. What is this? Is a picture of? Yes, this is a picture of solar system. Okay, so the next topic what we're going to see is solar system. So what is solar system? The sun and celestial bodies which revolve around it form the solar system. And it consists of large number of bodies such as planets, comets, asteroids and meteors. So we are going to see in brief about the solar system, which you know already, which you are learning from the lower class itself, isn't it? From second standard onwards you are learning about our solar system and about the planets. So the same thing you are going to see here also, but extra more points. So what is the first planet that we are going to see is the sun. So what is sun? What do you know about sun? It is a medium-sized star, a very fiery spinning ball of hot gases, isn't it? So 3/4 of the sun has hydrogen gas and 1/4 has helium gas. It is over a million times as big as the earth, and hydrogen atoms combine or fuse together to form helium under enormous pressure, and this process is called nuclear fusion. Okay, which releases enormous amount of energy as light and heat, isn't it? So this is what our sun is emitting out, light and heat energy. So it is this energy which makes suns shine and provide heat. So sun is situated at the center of the solar system. You can see the picture also. So sun is situated at the center of the solar system, and a strong gravitational field causes other solar matter, that is mainly the planets, asteroids, comets, meteors and other debris. Debris means waste, to orbit around it, and sun is believed to be more than 4.6 billion years old. Okay, so how does this sun formed? So you have a topic about the formation of the sun in page number 105, and at the time of this Big Bang, hydrogen gas condensed to form huge clouds which later concentrated and formed the numerous galaxies. Okay, and some of the hydrogen gas was left free and started floating around in our galaxy, and with time, due to some changes, this free floating hydrogen gas concentrated and paved way for the formation of the sun and the other solar system. So now we will see about the planets. So what are planets? A planet revolves around the sun along a definite curved path. You can see here how the planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, so that curved path is called as an orbit. Okay, and it is elliptical. Which shape it is? Elliptical. And the time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called its period of revolution. Okay, and the period of rotation of the earth is 23 hours and 56 minutes. The length of the day on the earth is taken as 24 hours. Is that clear? And the first 4 planets are relatively close together and close to the sun also. They form the inner solar system. Okay, the 4 planets grouped together in the inner solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, and they are called as the inner planets, and they have a surface solid rock crust, and so are called terrestrial or rocky planets. Okay, and the next 4 large planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, spread out in the outer solar system and slowly orbit the sun, are called outer planets. Okay, the 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So now we will see what is about Mercury. It is a rocky planet nearest to the sun, and Mercury can be easily observed through telescope and than naked eye. it is very faint and it is very small also. Then about Venus, it is a special planet from the sun, almost the same size as the Earth. Venus is equal to the Earth size, okay, size wise, and it is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is the brightest also heavenly body in our night sky, and the planet spins in the opposite direction of all other planets. Okay, then comes to Earth. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system which supports life, that we all know very well. And right distance from the sun, due to its right distance from the sun, it has a right temperature, a presence of water, suitable atmosphere, and a blanket of ozone. So this is the reason why life exists in Earth. Okay, so it is situated in the correct distance from the sun, and it has a blanket of ozone also. It has an atmosphere, then it has presence of water and the temperature, and the Earth appears bluish green due to the reflection of the light from water. Okay, so why does the Earth has that color? Because of the reflection of the water, due to the reflection of light from the water and land mass on its surface. Then come under Mars. It is the first planet outside the orbit of the Earth is Mars, and it has two small natural satellites also, that is Deimos and Phobos. Then we talk about Jupiter. It is called as a giant planet, and it is the largest of all planets, and it has 3 rings and 65 moons. So Jupiter is the giant planet. How many rings it has? It has 3 rings and 65 moons. Then Saturn, it appears yellowish in color, and it is the second biggest and the giant gas planet in the outer solar system. Okay. Then about Uranus, it is a cold gas giant, and it can be seen only with the help of the large telescope, and it has the longest summers and winters, each lasting 42 years it seems. Uranus. Okay. Then the last one, Neptune, it appears as greenish stars, and it is the 8th planet from the sun and is the windiest planet. It has 13 moons. Triton being the largest, and Triton is the only moon in the solar system that moves in the opposite direction to the direction in which its planet spins. Okay, so this is about the planets. These notes are given in page number 106. You can refer the notes, children. Please go through immediately after you finish up seeing the video. Okay, so these are the basic things which you must know about the solar system, and in the next session we will see about the other bodies of the solar system, that is about asteroids, comets, meteors and meteorites, and also about the satellites and the orbital velocities, and also we discuss about the Kepler's law. So far we have covered about our stars, our solar system, then about the constellations, and we discussed about the formation of the universe. Okay, so please go through whatever we have covered today. That was your assignment today. Okay, thank you children. Have a good day.